But first, our good friend Blair Ryan introduces us to something new at the Iowa State Fair this year, food demonstrations in the kitchen.
Typically, when I think salsa, I think veggie loaded. But today, we're going fruit forward.
So first we're just going to talk about fruits and produce and what you should do to get ready to eat them.
Tell us what's going on here today in the kitchen.
Okay, so I'm part of Iowa State Culinary Science Club, and I was asked by the Iowa State Fair Kitchen to come here and do some workshops. And so I'll be presenting how to make a fruit salsa, telling kids about fruits and how it's good for you and how to cut fruits safely. And then we're going to be all doing a salsa together, and then they get to eat it. At Iowa State, we have Culinary Food Science, which is a program which a lot of people think they hear culinary and they think that we're just cooking, but it's mainly about the science behind food and cooking. So I've done a few of these workshops at Iowa State, and anybody from the area can come. And so now we're doing these at the fair, and we're a lot involved with the fair, so we did something last year also. And we're just really excited that we have this kitchen here, that we can really make this a big thing. So we're gonna be using 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and we're also gonna be using 2 teaspoons of lime juice.
Wait, Lexi, what about the lime juice?
Sorry, you hold it over here.
And then you want one?
Yeah, we'll just do it.
Yeah, bring on the lime juice. Bring on the. Can I have?
Nope, sorry.
Over here.
Mix it all up.
Now let me mix. Now let me mix.
Anymore, but she would have loved you. What high school did you go to? Mason.
My favorite part of the salsa is the pineapple. Like it's like the main ingredient and stuff. I'm not quite sure what my favorite part of making it was. Maybe just learning how to chop it the correct way and stuff.
Okay, you made your fruit salsa here today. What part surprised you the most, or what was your favorite thing that you learned?
That it includes pineapple. I didn't know that at the beginning.
What was your favorite part about the fruit making salsa experience today?
Probably getting to use real knives for the first time since we haven't been able to do that.
Was it tricky to cut, or was it easier than you thought?
It was pretty easy.
What'd you think, Ben?
It was okay. The main hold part about it is that watching it so you don't cut yourself.
As culinary science students, we love to know about nutrition and the science behind what we're eating, so we want to also involve the kids on that.